What is up, citizens of the Interwebs? Zhiyun here, and today I will be reviewing / unboxing this PGY-Tech Gopro adapter for the Zhiyun Smooth-Q or any smartphone stabilizer. So this thing is supposed to let us adapt this GoPro thingymabob into this, so that we have stabilized shots. It is some sort of like alternative for the GoPro Hero Karma Grip. So this is cheaper since this is only 6,000 pesos and this is just 900 pesos. For those people who are not in the Philippines, I'll just flash a dollar conversion here. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing portion of this video. Okay, so as you can see, the box is pretty nice. It has that matte black finish, but it's what's inside that's gonna matter the most. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's check. Here we have two long screws and the arc thingymabobbins. I'm not sure what to call this thing because it's my first time seeing this. But it's supposed to hold the GoPro, so I'm gonna go there like that. Okay, and getting into the main adapter. Okay, so this is the main body of the adapter that's gonna be held in place by the Zhiyun Smooth-Q, like so. Okay, so let's try and fit the GoPro into it. Okay, so let's just unscrew these things. Okay, so from time to time I'm gonna be using the word thingymabobbins if I forgot what the word technical term for any of the things is called. Okay, so right here we're unscrewing the screws from the thingymabobbins. So right here you can see two shorter screws, and included in the box are two longer screws in case you have a fatter GoPro. I don't know what that's for. Okay, so I guess you're gonna put the GoPro like so, and then this thingymabobbins is gonna be held in place like that. Screw those two things in and you're good to go. And there we have it. So altogether, the GoPro and the PGY-Tech adapter is pretty light, and it's pretty balanced too. And I like this black paint job. Is this a paint job on this aluminum CNC milled? Supposed to be CNC milled aluminum or aircraft grade aluminum, not sure. Just gonna check. Okay, so together it feels pretty solid. It doesn't move and it looks pretty badass if you'd ask me. Look at that. And this is what you see from the back. Let's check focus. Alright, the front focus. Okay, so underneath is like a tripod adapter thingy where you can mount this thing on a tripod. Okay, so let's go to the important part. Will it fit the Zhiyun Smooth-Q? Okay, so let's mount it into this Zhiyun Smooth-Q stabilizer. So the Smooth-Q, for those of you who don't know, is a stabilizer made for cell phones. So it's not supposed to be used with a GoPro, but this adapter is gonna enable us to use a GoPro with it. So okay, so that's the maximum. It's not quite balanced, but I think the Smooth-Q can handle that. Let's power the Smooth-Q on. Let's go. And there she goes. Alright, so you can see works pretty well with the Smooth-Q. It's not hindering any movement. Okay, it hindered one movement, but that's actually user error. So, whoa. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so that is the unboxing and slight review of the PGY-Tech adapter for GoPro Hero. So I just realized that I forgot to film an outro for this video, so here goes. So guys, that was my review of the PGY-Tech GoPro Hero adapter for your mobile phone stabilizer gimbal. I hope you guys liked this video and found it really helpful. If you did, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe down below for more videos like this. I will see you guys on my next video. Peace, flying kicks!